Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so first off, why are we promoting the $25 business? It's because this affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month, 80% of the sales that you bring in. That's absolutely fantastic. Alright, any affiliate marketer can tell you that. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're going to refresh the page and make sure you guys can see that this is real money going into my real bank account. We're going to refresh the page here. Alright, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal, not a big issue. So the first and foremost thing is to get your links to this particular product, guys, and I want to show you the link that I use here. I like to use this particular link here for what I'm about to show you how to promote. I use this particular link, and you can use any link you want, but this is the one I use if you're interested, because it promotes 3 products. So guys, first thing you want to do is go into my description and click on the first link. Say something like incomespeaks.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. Now this is the sales letter for the $25 business. Now what it talks about is how much money you can make, what it is, blah blah blah, you know what I mean? And you can make $120 per customer, guys, monthly. Paid monthly, $120 paid monthly customer. That's fantastic. All right, fantastic deal. So yeah, you could do that, and yeah, it's a real good product, man. Real good product. They also the $25 business, essentially it's a funnel builder. It teaches you how to use the funnel builder and stuff like that. It's a funnel builder. Now if you're a affiliate marketer, you know what a funnel builder is, but basically it's like a set of pages to get you to buy something, right? And ClickFunnels is famous for this. It's like the biggest funnel builder out there, and it's $100. It's over $100 a month for like 20 funnels. This one has no real limitations for $25. That's fantastic. All right, fantastic deal, man. I ain't found a better deal, to be honest with you. And yeah, and if you interested, they also give money to charities and stuff like that if you're interested in that. But either way, you look through this, it's a lot of information. You look through it, see if you like it, see what you like. Click yes, I want in. You want to try this out, huh? So you click on this contact information, blah blah blah, whatever, right? And you go down to the bottom and get the product. Now one thing I want to mention, that if you click on my link in particular, guys, you can get this product here for free for 14 days. Now this is HBA premium, basically traffic on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, right? And on blogs, how to do it and stuff. And if they find, and the cool thing is it constantly updated, because like sites get different rules all the time, or they might find a better way to do something, so it's constantly updated. Also, you get an AI content creation machine, guys, which helps you make posts on Instagram or whatever, and really start taking off, you know what I mean? So you do all of that, pre-order and get instant access, right? Oh, one more thing I want to mention about this. It's 14 days free, but if you get a sale with this product, you keep that money, by the way. Keep that money. Keep all of that money, which is fantastic. Love it. So anyway, guys, this is going to promote and all that. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is the easiest way to promote this product by far. I could think of some more effective ways, but this is the easiest way to promote this product. All right. Now you want to click on my link in the description there. The second link there is going to take you to this page here, My Lead Gen Secrets. Now what this is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day, right guys? 100 leads per day, you can email once per day, which is fantastic. It slowly adds up to it's a bunch of people, and we using this account here. This is my worst performing account. I wanted to do it like this so I can ensure that you guys can make money doing this. All right. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. And we're gonna just use a email that ChatGPT has written us itself. And I'm gonna copy this here. I want to copy my signature here. That's all I'm doing. Make sure I can put it on the email we're gonna send next time. Okay, we sent 880 next. The next email that ChatGPT written us. This is the next one ChatGPT wrote us right here. All right, so we're just gonna load that one up, and we're just gonna put my signature in there. I like to use a photo. I think it looks better, but you could just type in your signature or whatever. Or you don't have to. You don't have to type in a signature at all if you don't really want to. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. That's a good email there. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check their emails. You know what I mean? So for example, you check your Monday 8 o'clock in the morning, it'll send it 8 o'clock in the morning. You know what I mean? And anyway, we're gonna preview the email to make sure the link work, and also give you guys a chance to copy this email here. This is subject, this the body here. You could just copy it if you're interested in copying this email here, guys. No problem. As you can see, it's on the short side of things. I say make the email short as you can. Don't make it too long. Don't add too much stuff to it, because you want to get to the point real quick. That's the most important part. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. We're gonna send an email and we are done. Also understand that these leads, you get a ton of leads, but they all cold, guys. They're cold leads because they don't know you or anything like that. All right, so it's gonna take a while to warm them up, but you can get sales on the first day. It's happened to me before. But I'm just saying, they're cold leads. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. One thing I want to mention though, guys, is consistency. You got to do this every single day. In fact, the best way to make money online is consistency. Not product, not quality, but consistency. All right. You don't have to make sure every video is a banger, but make sure you posting a video every day. You know what I mean? It's how you make money online. I think the best method to make money online right now is shorts that you post on these 3 websites in particular: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Those are the ones that blow up. All right, you post on those multiple times, and you just keep posting to one of your videos will eventually get a ton of numbers, get some big numbers coming in, and once you get that video to big numbers, you'll start making a ton of money. And it'd be kind of hard to start that gravy train unless you just stop posting. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.